Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you 5 different exercises or stretches that are going to help relieve knee pain. Now remember, anything that we do today, you always want to do pain-free range of motion. If you start to feel pain, you want to consult a doctor. But we're going to start out with some box squats. So standing just a little bit away from the box, we're going to take and put our arms out in front of us to help for some balance. Butt back and down. You want to ease down to the box. Once you touch your butt, come back up. And remember, pain-free range of motion. So if you squat down to a box and the box hurts your knees, you want to add something like a plate or another box or something like that to add a little bit of height. Try it again. All right, so butt back and down, touch, and back up. And now our second exercise is going to be the seated one-legged leg lift. So having a seat, for the seated one-legged leg lift, one knee in, one leg out. You want to point that toe straight up, keep the leg straight. You can either grab onto the knee, keep your core tight, shoulder blades back, and start from this position, or you can lean back on your hands right here and start from this position. We're going to lift our foot up and then back down without touching. We want to try to focus on our low core and our hip flexor right here. You should feel this leg start to burn. Our third exercise is going to be the wall sit. So lean back up against the wall, bring your feet out a little bit, let's drop down. And remember, pain-free range of motion. So once you start to feel some pain, maybe you have to come up and not go down as low, and then work your way down to a normal box squat. And then just hold. Start out with 10, 20 seconds, work your way up to 30, 45 seconds, and then work your way into multiple sets. For our quad stretch, we're going to grab a hold of a bar or put your hand up against the wall, something for support. Reach down and grab your ankle, and then you're going to pull that ankle back so you can start to feel that stretch right in your quad. Now you don't want to be like this. You want to make sure that you have that knee back towards the other leg. Now we're going to foam roll the IT band. So we're going to roll from right above the knee joint to right below the hip joint. And what can happen sometimes is this IT band can get tight and it can pull on the knee, causing some pain and some stiffness in the knee. So we're going to try to find any trigger points here by sitting on the side of the leg on the foam roller, kicking our top foot over so it's flat. Right, go flat-footed here, kick the bottom leg out. We're going to use this flat foot to help relieve pressure on the leg if there's any type of pain. So we want to roll all the way down, see if there's any trigger points. If I feel any trigger points, I'm going to sit on that for just a minute, try to loosen up that knot, roll back and forth. Now, make sure that you don't roll across joint, only right up, right before the joint. And then you might find that if you turn sideways slightly, that it's a little more tight. That's where you need to roll it. Or you might find that if you turn your hips down, that you feel like you might need to roll it there a little more because it's tight there instead. So just roll around, see how it feels. Sit on that if you feel a trigger point, and try to roll back and forth over it and loosen it up. And then do this for a few minutes. Now there's a quick tutorial of our top 5 exercises or stretches that are going to help relieve knee pain. Don't forget to click the next video in our series and like, comment, and share. Top 5 exercises to help relieve knee pain. Throw it in your routine and let me know what you think.